Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to deposit crypto into Kraken Pro. So to deposit crypto, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to access the deposit section. So in the Kraken Pro app, tap on the portfolio tab, then select deposit. Then from there you have to select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. For example, we have the Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we also have USDT. Then after that, you have to generate a deposit address. So Kraken will provide you with a deposit address from the selected cryptocurrency. So for certain cryptocurrency like XRP and XLM, make sure or ensure you also note any required destination tag or memos if included. Then after that, you have to initiate the transfer. So from your external wallet or exchange, send the desired amount of cryptocurrency to the provided Kraken address. Then use the copy function to avoid errors when entering the address. So use the copy function. It's like a small button. Just click on it, then to copy the wallet address. Then after that, you have to await confirmation. So once the transaction is confirmed on a blockchain, the fund will appear in your Kraken Pro account. Then confirmation time varies depending on the cryptocurrency network. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thanks.